Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this surfboard sign. This is a paint by line which you can purchase on buildacross.com. I'll be going in with all Dixie Belle chalk paint colors, and I'm going in first with the color putty to paint the wood sign, and I'm just base coating that, completely covering up the lettering. Next I'm going to go in with the color limeade, and I'm going to paint a section on my surfboard, and then I'm going to go in with the Gulf and paint the other side of that center surfboard. And the Gulf is such a pretty color. It's absolutely my favorite Dixie Belle color. It's why you see me use it a lot. I'm going in now with Peacock, and the lavender color on the left is Lucky Lavender. So I pretty much chose all my favorite colors for this particular surfboard. I have it hanging on my front door because it has all of my favorite Dixie Belle colors. This is the color Peony. It's a really pretty deep pink. And then I'll paint the last section on that last surfboard in the color Flamingo, and it's kind of like a coral color. And then once I'm done with the flamingo color, I'll be done base coating everything. So then I'm just going to give everything plenty of time to dry completely. And once it's done so, I will go in and begin to outline with my Sharpie brushstroke marker. And all I'm doing with this is just outlining where my lines already are etched into the wood. So I'm not having to freehand any of this or figure out where to put my lines. And that makes this super easy. And I will go in and use a Sharpie marker to do my lettering too. But before I did that, I wanted to go in with a sponge brush and some chocolate paint and just distress a little on the wood to kind of give it a wood grain look. And then turn my brush where it just could do these skinny lines, where the lines in my kind of shiplap area is, to separate the boards. And then I'm going in with Savannah Mist to paint the little nail holes here, or nail heads actually. And then I let that brown paint dry. It didn't take long because it was a thin, very thin layer. And I'm just going to go in with my Sharpie marker and begin to fill in my lettering. And you could definitely do this with paint if you wanted to. If you wanted to go in and use a different color paint. I really prefer black lettering because it's very bold and stands out from the road when people are looking at your door hanger. So that's why I choose it. And then I go in with the color Cotton and highlight everything. This just kind of brightens everything up and softens it a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Savannah Mist, and I'm going to highlight around, like I highlight with gray on the outside of my lines and white on the inside of my lines. So this just kind of makes that center surfboard kind of pop. And then that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.